Now, the officials are ready, the fighters are, and they are ready. So for the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
The revolution will be live.
Hello everyone! Today, I'm not going to the kitchen. Instead, I'm gonna unbox this thing here. And I bought this online, so it means this is not sponsored by this brand. I got lots of equipment made by this brand. Except from being affordable, they are very competitive compared to those expensive brands. So, let's find out. By the way, this is the brand. That's the brand, Neewer. Okay, let's open it. Yes. Okay. Okay. Even the packaging is really nice. And its carry bag is also look really nice. Smells fresh. The manual first. Okay. So here's the manual. It says professional tripod instructions. There are some illustrations in guide how to use this tripod. Very small letters. Anyway, and then aside from the manual, they get Allen keys and clip. I don't know. We're gonna use that one. Let's find out. Put this in here. In the moment. In the moment. Oh my. Nice color. Black. The combination of red and black is always good. This is it. This is it. Let's close this one for a while. Wow. Slowly. Ooh. This is the Neewer 72.5 camera tripod with 360-degree rotatable center column ball head or plate. It's around a kilo or more than a kilo. So let's open it. I hope you can still see it. Okay. The legs is wrapped by dense sponge. This is to protect from skid and make these legs warm. Okay, let's try it to use. Let's just close it a little bit closer and so we can see. Okay. The reason why I bought this one because of one of the function of this is really cool. You can shoot overhead. Really cool. Pull it up and there's a small button in here, the red button. Push this in so you can bend this. Oh yeah, that's it. So that's the overhead shot. You can take overhead shots. But sometimes, like if your camera is too heavy, might stumble down. So what you need to do is put a counterweight on the other side. You can buy with a pouch or a sandbag. The purpose of that is for the counterweight. So that is why. Because if you fully extend this, and then if you fully extend this arm, and then you put a very heavy, too heavy camera, it might stumble down, it might fall down. Of course you don't want it. So aside from overhead shots, you can make the macro shots as well, like this. The macro shots, very low shots. Of course, the 360 degrees shots, or panoramic or 360 shots, just turn it slow while you're taking the photo or a video. So that's it. And aside from that, there is a small open screw in here that says that you can put some additional accessories like lightings, audio accessories in here. Of course, a ball head. It's really easy to turn, and then you can put into any angle which you prefer. The feet is made of rubber. For sure the grip will be very nice, very good. Okay. And then the best thing of this tripod is you can turn it into a monopod. One of the leg of this is detachable. So this is the one. Just unscrew this one and hang on. My table is really mess. Anyway, unscrew the ball head as well. I'm just excited to unbox this one, so that's why I haven't prepared to clean up my table. Okay, let's go to the tripod, monopod section. So, of course, let's put them together. Okay, presto. And then open it, twist it, extend it. Okay, let's see what is the maximum length of this monopod. Okay, lock it in, lock it in, lock it in, lock it in. Okay, so I think approximately 2 yards. So now you can shot a very high shot. You can use this monopod for your fake drone shots or overhead shots or very high shots. Whatever shots you want, which is you can reach or unreachable, and then if you're not allowed to use your drone, so you can use this one. Really cool. It's really hard to fly a drone here in Australia because there's a lot of restrictions. So instead of using my drone, I'm gonna use this as an alternative. Who knows? This is more better than using a drone. Okay, let's put this back in. That's a quick review. I'm not an expert anyway. It's only unboxing. So the quality, I think this is very durable. The functionality is really nice, really cool. And the materials is made from aluminum. That's why it's a bit heavy. I think it's more durable. So that's it. That's my unboxing of my new tripod turned, excuse dog. Sorry. Anyway. My God, why you keep on barking? Excuse me for the dog. Sorry. Anyway, that is my unboxing of my new tripod. Thank you for your support. See you next time. Bye-bye. Ka1.